Unconscious bias is a quiet yet powerful performance killer. It literally makes us do things we didn't mean to do, say things we did not intend to say, and even offend people without having any idea how we offended them. Why am I telling you this? Because on Wednesday, October 30th, I have the honor of facilitating Unconscious Bias, a quiet performance killer for the Harrington Agency. During our session, we'll discuss 4 types of unconscious bias that can negatively impact your work relationships and your work performance. We'll also discuss specific steps we can take to reduce the negative impact of unconscious bias in our personal and professional lives. So join me on October 30th when we will have a great conversation about reducing the negative impact of this quiet yet powerful performance killer.